Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different and latest collection, trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching ideas of hair dye, and many much more trendy and attractive collection, stylish ideas, of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. You've seen this video, I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of fine hairstyle, fine straight hair, and very attractive ideas of messy hairstyle, different collection of spiky hairstyle, and very beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art. Different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step. And so beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art. Beautiful and attractive ideas of shaved and undercut art. Some ideas in lines. Some ideas in zigzag. Some ideas in heart designs. Cubic designs, electric designs. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And many much more stylish ideas, latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls, for women. For mature women, you've seen this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very attractive. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it to all over social media accounts So friend, thank you so much for watching. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.